This is the best banana muffins ever! 5 easy toppings and you can have them in less than 30 minutes. Wow, so fluffy. Hi, I'm Landon. Let's do it. Alright, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature will help us achieve the bakery style high dome tops. Line the muffin pan with paper liners. No buttercreaming, faster and less work. Yay! We need about 1¼ cups of mashed overripe bananas, so that's about 3 medium bananas. Just don't add too much bananas if you want fluffy muffins. Start by mashing them. A little bruising is fine. Now we simply add everything except the flour and toppings. I usually finish one batch of muffins or by myself in 5 days. So one thing I wanted from this recipe was the muffins must stay moist for that long. The bananas help with that, but I also use sour cream plus a combination of butter and oil. Butter gives flavor while oil helps keep the crumbs softer much longer. The amount of sugar is also important too. Besides sweetness, sugar helps retain moisture and keeps muffins from drying out too quickly. For flavor, I add cinnamon and sometimes pumpkin pie spice like I'm using right now, or nutmeg. You can add both if liking stronger spices. Vanilla extract, of course, and banana extract, optionally for more depth. The tanginess of sour cream also contributes to a complex flavor profile for our muffins. The printable recipe is just right in the description below the title. Now add the all-purpose flour and mix until just combined. One bowl method is that easy. About 40 seconds total mixing is usually enough. Scrape the bowl once or twice to make sure everything is incorporated evenly. One of the biggest causes of dense muffins is overmixing. The batter should look like this. A little bit technical, but if you're wondering about the depth of flavor and how the moistness of these muffins constructed, here it is. We want to fill each muffin liner about 4/5 full. Yes, it will spill during baking, but no worries. A large cookie scoop makes this quick, even, and less messed. High temperature and high filling give us that bakery style high dome tops as opposed to cupcakes which prefer a flatter top for frosting. Now for the fun part, you can leave them plain or add toppings. Chocolate chips are my favorite because they are the most convenient and literally everybody loves them. And I think mini chips are the better option for coverage. But oats, chopped nuts, sliced almond, or a simple sprinkle of coarse sugar all work beautifully. Oh, I can't wait. This is gonna be amazing. Now they bake for just about 14 to 16 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. It looks scary when the batter rises over the top, but that's how the high domes form. Now most recipes bake this at 425 first then reduce to 350. Well, after many testing, I find 400 is the simplest no changing temp and the most successful for me. Best results with efficiency. That's exactly the kind of baking I'm into. Now if you have more patience than me, wait until the muffins cool down completely so the liner won't stick to the muffins. But just look at that. Light, fluffy, incredibly moist, and packed with excellent flavor. I love it. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, let me know your favorite toppings and subscribe for more easy recipes that don't sacrifice quality. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.